So hello students, in this video we are going to discuss a question of time, speed and distance, and the question is you can see the question number 22, right? The question is, a train leaves from Delhi at 6 a.m. and reaches Agra at 10 a.m., right? Another train leaves from Agra at 8 a.m. and leaves Delhi at 11:30 a.m., right? So at what time do the two trains cross each other, or at what time will the two train meet, right? So first of all, what we have to do, we have to find the time taken by both the trains. So you can see in the first, by the the first train is starting at 6 a.m. and reaching at 10 a.m. That means this is taking 4 hours, right? Another train is starting at 8 a.m. and reaching at Delhi at 11:30. That means it is taking 3.5 hours, right? So the first thing that we have to do, just take the LCM of this 4 and 3.5. So you can see the LCM of this 4 and 3.5. This will be 14. Just take the distance is equal to 14 kilometer, right? Now see, if the distance is 14 kilometer and first train takes 4 hours to reach Agra from Delhi, so what will be the speed of first train? The speed of first train will be simply 14 divided by 4, that is 3.5, right? Okay. First train is starting at 6 a.m. and another train is starting at 8 a.m. So can we determine that at 8 a.m. first train will cover how many kilometers? So if the speed of first train is 3.5 kilometers, so how much distance the train will cover in 2 hours? So simply we can determine as 3.5 multiplied by 2, this will be 7 kilometers, right? So now what we have a question, the distance Delhi and Agra, the distance that has been covered total is 7 kilometer. And what was the total distance? The total distance is 14 kilometer. So how much distance is remaining? The remaining distance is 7 kilometer, right? uh, Now we have just find the crossing time. In how much time will the two train cross each other? So students, this thing we already been uh, doing in the class. The distance remaining is 7 kilometer divided by relative speed. So if the distance is 14 kilometer and total time is 4 hours, so the speed of first train will be 3.5 and the speed of second train will be 3.5. If we add the distance, the speed will be 7.5, right? Converting this into the minutes, so multiply by 60, cancel out by 15, 15 4 ja, 15 5 ja, right? And this will be 56 minute. Okay, 56 minute after 8 a.m. That means the answer of this question will be 8:56, right? Okay. For the practice, we can see one more question number 23. The question is same as the previous one that we have done. The two railway stations, Delhi and Agra, right? First train start at 7 a.m. and reaches Agra at 11 a.m. Another train start from Agra at 9 a.m. and reaches Delhi at 2 p.m., right? So the total time taken by first train is 4 hours and the total time taken by train 2 is 5 hours, right? So first thing that we have to do, we have to take the LCM of these two times. So LCM will be 20 and we have to take the LCM as the total distance, right? Second step, second step is the distance traveled by first train is 2 hours, because we have to ultimately find that at 9 a.m. what will be the distance covered by train 1, because at 9 a.m. train 2 is starting, right? So if we find the speed of first train, so speed of first train will be simply 20 divided by 4, that is 5 kilometer per hour. That means in 1 hour it is covering 5 kilometer. If in 1 hour it is covering 5 kilometers, so we can easily find distance covered in 2 hours. Distance covered in 2 hours will be simply 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10 kilometers, right? Now we have a scenario that the distance remaining is 10. At 9 a.m. the train is moving with the speed of 5 kilometer per hour, and at 9 a.m. at 9 a.m. the train is running with the speed of 4 kilometer per hour in opposite direction, right? So we can simply find the crossing time. Crossing time will be total time divided by the total distance divide by the relative speed. So relative speed will be 9, and converting this into the minute, so this will be 60, right? So we can find it as 1 is to 1 by 9, right? 1 is to 1 by 9. And when converting this 1 is to 1 by 9 into minutes, so this will be 1 hour, and 1 by 9 into minutes, that means multiply by 60. So 9 6, yeah, so this will be 0 6, that means 1 hour 6 minute. So the total time taken by this will be 1 hour 6 minute after 9 a.m. That means 9 plus 1, that is 10 a.m. plus 6 minutes. That means the answer of this question will be 10 minutes 6 seconds, right? Thank you.